I'm also delighted to see Mr. Mohsin from JSW Steel. So I would like to request Mr. Mohsin to come forward and share a few words. So over to you, sir.
So, Mr. Mohsin, this is how are you finding the entire IRFCon 2024 thus far?
I find it very well, and lot of networking is happening with different skill set of people. So it's an enriching experience for me also, that connecting with the different field of people, like not from ceramic refractive background, apart from ceramic, the other industry academy also there. So overall, it was a wonderful experience to be here and to be a part of this international conference.
There are a lot of so it's a very exciting conference. Everyone's all over the place. There are a lot of upcoming discussions, very serious discussions today and tomorrow. Is there something that you're looking forward to? What is your expectation coming here for this conclave? What is your expectation for your company?
Yes, now actually the biggest challenge is in today's world how to save the Mother Earth, because in lot of area we are talking about the green steel and green production in refractory making and raw material manufacturing. So it's a big challenge. Suppose if I'm giving you an example, in steel plant, if we are using 100 kg refractory material, around 30% we are generating wastage, that is around 30 kg we are throwing it out, and all the material has been gone to Mother Earth and landfilling purpose. So how to collect those material, how to manage those material, and how to recycle those material, and can be reused, because the kind of expansion plan we have in India also, if you see, we are moving towards from 120 to 300 million ton by 2030, that is the government objective also. So we have to align with that, and for that such kind of we have to work on sustainability and carbon footprint reduction. And as a JSW group, we are also working on that. We have also hired some consultant who are working on the sustainability champion projects, and we are in those aspects that is challenging. I think we should work on that, and as a industrialist, how we can save the Mother Earth. And here we are also looking for such solution. In some stall also there you can see the global recycling and other, they are already working, but it is not coming in a big way. So such kind of solution is required from this forum.
So what do you think is one of the bigger obstacles to go green?